Hi everyone, Jenny here. Today I want to teach you a little, again, origami, and it is a little box. Well, I'll show you. See, it's a little paper box. I don't know, can you see it? Maybe this side is better. So basically, these boxes are used in Asia when you have, let's say, chicken wings or prawns, and you have something you got to throw away in your meal, and you don't want it on the side of your table. So what they like to do is to throw it in this little paper box. And then when you're done, you just throw the whole thing in the trash. And there's nothing to deal with. This is made from a magazine. So get your old magazine. So here's my old magazine. And I'm going to cut them up. So I'm going to push the camera down. There you go. Can you see that? I think you can see that. And then I'm going to slice this down. Oopsie. That wasn't very good, was it? Let me make another one. So they don't have to be perfect. They're going to be thrown away. So you can make these while watching TV. It's no big deal. So they're very easy. So let's use one at a time. So first, I want you to be able to see everything. Okay, I'm going to fold it in half. And crease. Then I'm going to fold it one more time. I'm going to put that away. Okay, now it's in four. And then I open one side. You see it opens like this. And I stick two fingers in here. And I stick one finger in the corner. And I push it down. And I line it up. So it's a triangle. You flip it over. You stick your fingers in again. And you make another triangle. There we go. So this is what you should have. Okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over. One side over again. So as you can see, this is all flat, one piece. And then we're going to fold it in to the center line. Okay? So take the flap and fold it to the center line. Now let's do the other side. Fold the flap to the center line and fold the flap to the center line. So there, this is what you should have. I don't know if you can see very well. Now again, we're going to fold one over and fold one over. Oh, was that correct? Oh no, don't fold it over. Sorry. Okay. Now, see this little flap? You bring it all the way up so it meets the line. And then you lift this piece up. The other side. Fold this over to the line so you make a little triangle. Fold this piece over to the line. Lift the bottom piece and fold it up. So this is what you should have. But the problem is this comes off. So that's why we have this little triangle we made, and it goes right behind the little pocket. Can you see that? This one goes inside. We'll do that on the other side. little triangle tucks in behind the other triangle so it holds it in place. And we do the same thing on this side. So now we have this little triangle and it opens. So how do we make the box? You just push it open, push it down. There you go. And there's your box. Isn't that neat? So I have a whole bunch that I made and you just put them in here. And you can put your knickknacks in, or you can put your peanut shells in, or you can put your sunflower seed shells in. There's all kinds of things you can do with this. So see, I have my frog in there. But you can put in sunflower seed shells. You can put in your wing bones, any kind of bones. I also like to do shrimp. You know, when you do prawns, you have the skin and the tail. That can go in here too. And then when you're done, you just take the whole thing and you throw it in the trash. Hope you enjoyed that. See you again.